Hey there, fellow learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to dive into the art of effective feedback. Giving and receiving feedback is a valuable skill that can transform your personal and professional growth. Let's explore the key principles and techniques that help master this particular art. My first tip to you is to be specific and constructive when you're giving feedback. Instead of general statement, focus on specific actions, behaviors, and outcomes that you have observed. Be clear about the impact it has had and provide suggestions and improvements in a constructive manner. Remember, the goal over here is for the person to learn and grow, not to criticize and berate. Number 2, timing and setting play a crucial role in effective feedback. Find an appropriate moment where the person is open and receptive to feedback. A private and comfortable setting can foster a safe environment and also enhance dialogue. Avoid giving feedback in the heat of the moment or in front of others, as it may lead to an adverse effect of being defensive and it will hinder the learning process. 3 is the best technique to give feedback is sandwich technique. It is a popular method of delivering feedback, so you begin with the positives, you set a tone and build rapport, and then provide constructive feedback. Being specific by offering suggestions for improvement. And finally, when you end the session, again you end it on a positive note by highlighting the person's strengths and expressing confidence in their ability to grow. 4th, you have that feedback is a two-way street. When you receive feedback, you have to practice active listening. Feedback is not only about giving, you have to receive it at times. So when you receive feedback, you need to receive it with grace and dignity. Give the person your full attention, maintain an open mind, and of course, avoid being defensive. Ask clarification questions to gain a deeper understanding of their perspective. Always remember that feedback is an opportunity for growth and to seek input from others that will provide valuable insights for your success. Next, we have express appreciation for the person's willingness to receive feedback and their efforts to improve. Recognize their openness and commitment to grow. Additionally, follow up on the feedback which you have given. Check in periodically to see how they are progressing and offer support. When you offer support, it shows genuine interest in development and helps build trust. And there you have it, learners, my top tips of mastering the art of effective feedback. By applying these principles, you can create a culture for growth, learning, as well as collaboration. Thank you for watching, and remember, feedback is a gift that will propel you to new heights. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep shining and take care.